Day 8. Break your money blocks and rise. Welcome back, champions. Day 8. You are officially past the halfway mark. And trust me, the shift inside you already began. Before we go deep, tell yourself, I'm ready to attract wealth. I'm ready to live in abundance. Now, quick revision and check in. Day 1, we learn understanding brain and mind. Day 2, belief system and reframing. Day 3, presuppositions. Day 4, 6 pillars of NLP. Day 5, self image and visualization. Day 6, business roadmap clarity. Day 7, rituals and routines for success. If you have followed these steps sincerely, congratulations, you are not the same person anymore. You are evolving into your magnetic identity. And today, we address a topic that silently controls 90% of people's financial destiny: money blocks. Before we begin, pause and do this. Hit subscribe, like this video, comment your commitment, and join our like minded community. We are building a tribe of highly vibrational leaders, entrepreneurs, visionaries, and dreamers. And at the end of this 14 days, we will meet live for question answer and breakthrough. Don't miss it. Now take a deep breath. Let's begin today's breakthrough. Money blocks are invisible beliefs and emotional patterns that silently stop money from flowing to you. Your strategy may be strong, your skills may be strong, but if the subconscious blocks money, money will never feel safe around you. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine there is a guest named Wealth. If you want them in your home, you prepare everything. You clean the house, you light candles, but deep inside you are thinking, but if they leave, what if I can't keep them? What if I am not worthy of them? The guest will feel it and never enter. Money is the same. Money comes where it feels safe, respected, and welcomed. Let me share a story. There was a young boy who watched his parents argue before money about money every month. Whenever money came, the home angry become heavy. He decided one unconscious belief: money creates pain. Money breaks relationship. It is better not to have too much. The boy grew up talented, hardworking, but every time money started coming, he would lose focus, doubt himself, subjugate opportunities. One belief from childhood stopped decades of growth. Now listen, most of us have some version of money block. Maybe you heard things like this: money does not grow on trees. Rich people are selfish. Money creates problems. You should not want too much, be satisfied. Money is hard to earn. You must struggle for success. People will judge you if you become rich. This belief creates emotional blocks like guilt for wanting money, fear of success, fear of failure, fear of unworthy, overgiving, undercharging, hiding your talent, not asking for what you deserve. And then people say, why am I not attracting wealth? Because your inner world decides your outer wealth. Now, let me give you a personal, relatable example. Think about when you first started learning something new, maybe cycling, driving, or cooking. You were nervous, you doubted, you thought, what if I fail? But once you practiced, your confidence came. Money mindset works the same. Once you train it, you start creating and receiving with confidence. Now do a quick exercise with me. Close your eyes for 5 seconds and ask yourself, what did I hear about money when I was young? How did my family talks about wealth? What emotions do I feel when I think about being rich? If answers came, write them later. Awareness is the beginning of transformation. Now repeat these lines after me slowly. Money is safe. Money is good. Money amplify who I am. I deserve wealth. I'm open to receiving abundance. My success helps others grow. I'm worthy of rich, joyful life. Feel the shift. Successful people do not chase money. They clean their inner relationship with money, and money comes naturally. Now, your task for today. Task 1. Write down 5 money beliefs you heard growing up. Task 2. Write the emotions attached to money: fear, guilt, doubt, pressure. Task 3. Rewrite those beliefs into powerful money statements. Task 4. Record 1 minute voice notes saying your new money identity lines and listen morning and night. Task 5. Comment right now. I choose wealth. I'm open to money. I'm ready to receive. Also, share this in group. What money belief you are breaking today? Reminder, and if you haven't yet, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your growth supports this mission to reach more hearts and minds. And join our community, link below. Winners do not grow alone, they grow together. This is day 8. You are becoming magnetic, you are becoming wealthy, you are rising in identity, energy, and destiny. See you tomorrow. The next level of abundance is waiting for you. Keep signing, keep growing, keep receiving. Thank you.